Teaching functions and transformations is one of the most critical parts of the Algebra 2 and Precalculus curriculum, but finding high-quality, sequential practice can be a struggle. Introducing the ultimate classroom companion, the Functions and Transformations Mastery Workbook, a complete 53-page resource designed specifically for grade 11 students. This isn't just a collection of problems. It includes a 21-day teacher pacing guide to help you plan your unit with ease. From mapping diagrams and the vertical line test to complex stretches, compressions, and end behavior, we've covered it all. Every unit is built on clear, key ideas and scaffolded examples to move students from basic recognition to advanced graphing without the guesswork. Grading is simplified with a full answer key and detailed, worked-out solutions for every single exercise, saving you hours of prep time. Give your students the clarity they deserve and reclaim your planning time. Download your copy of the Functions and Transformations Mastery Workbook today.